Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. The opposition People's National Party has described as disingenuous the comments made by local government minister Desmond McKenzie about the level of funding allocated to municipal corporations. The mayors of the municipal corporation provided an account of how the funds are spent during a press briefing today. Jamaica Maitland explains.
Opposition spokesperson on local government Natalie Nita Garvey has hit back at Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie about the allocations to municipal corporations to maintain roads and drains.
The total monthly allocations available to the municipal corporations do not support the minister's claim of over $600 million monthly. The average monthly subvention paid over to all municipal corporations is about $473 million.
Backing her were the mayors and minority leaders of a few of the municipal corporations. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation receives a lion's share of the funding with an average $85 million monthly for 40 divisions. The Hanover Municipal Corporation received the least with $13 million monthly for 7 divisions. Kingston's Mayor Andrew Swaby argues that the funding is inadequate.
If there are drains to be clean, we have to use from the Power Worker Revenue Fund. If there are bushing to be done, it has to be used from the Power Worker Revenue Fund. If there are retaining walls to be built, it has to be used from the Power Worker Revenue Fund.
Others point to the disparity in the allocations, which are subject to mandatory deductions.
Deductions come to about 38% of that 25 or 24 million. We are now left with approximately $700,000 to $750,000 per division per month. This money is supposed to be used to do road rehabilitation, fixing of sidewalks, doing drain cleaning. And I can tell you that we have drains in Westmoreland that to clean such a drain from end to end properly will take you into the millions.
The councillors admit that there are other forms of revenue streams, but they are inconsistent when compared to the allocation from government. Additionally, inadequate staffing at the corporations impacts enforcement strategies.
Market fees, parks, transportation centers, places of amusement, cemeteries, home burial, barbers, hairdressers, butchers, trade license, building plans, subdivision, and rental of properties. But there are some which is a one-time payment. For example, barbers and hairdressers, butchers, one-time payment for those entities.
According to the councillors, the issue is worse in Western Jamaica due to Hurricane Melissa. Municipal corporations that depend greatly on amusement licenses for entertainment events or market fees from vendors are impacted because of the loss of physical infrastructure. The councillors argue that Minister McKenzie's statements that the corporations receive between $600 and $700 million is disingenuous. Mrs. Nita Garvey says the minister should publish a list of the full allocation for municipal corporations.
Show the Jamaican people exactly what is allocated. Show what is disbursed. Show what requires ministerial approval and has been languishing. Show what municipal corporations are genuinely free to spend.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.